Tradelink are looking for people that are willing to learn, creative, proactive, and willing to take the initiative.
There's so many different things you can get yourself involved in, and there's so many opportunities.
You learn everything from people skills to managing branches to sales to working phones and stuff like that for deliveries.
You start off at the back, packing orders, putting away stock, and then you get to go out and seeing customers face to face and help out with preparing quotes, answering phone calls. Every day's different. You're not stuck in a cycle.
I'm working towards trying to get as high as I can in this industry. I would love to have that regional manager job or that one of those kind of roles. But at the moment, I'm really just happy with being with the crew that I've got at the moment.
Working at Tradelink, I think it's been able to have that sort of different aspect to working and not just sitting down all day. You don't know, every day's different, you don't know what you're going to be dealing with. Definitely best suited to people who are coming out of university and want a hands-on experience. The culture is definitely very positive. The day I started, everyone's been very supportive in helping me sort of learn.
The program takes anywhere between 2 to 3 years. Obviously myself being a plumber helped me immensely, but anyone that comes straight out of uni, as long as they have a good attitude and the mindset to willing to learn.
I'm getting a little bit more hands-on experience, which has been pretty good for me so far, and I've been able to build pretty good relationships with customers and also my team members. I've got a really good network of managers who I feel as though I can contact if I need anything. I think the main goal of the Cadet program is for everyone to excel. My next step in the company would be to become a PCM.
The job can take you anywhere you really want it to, as long as you have the right mindset and the right determination. This could take you all the way up to regional manager, general manager. I would say if someone wants to apply, do it. It's a brilliant program, take you very far in life. The opportunities that come out of it is endless really. As long as you have the right mindset, determination, you can go anywhere with this job.